Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Alice coin is about to explode in the next 24 to about 72 hours from now. The current price of Alice is about $13.93, and I am expecting the price of Alice to go to about $20. So in today's episode, I'm just going to basically break down everything that has been happening as far as the technical analysis is concerned. So obviously, as you can see, right, we only have like a little bit of resistance left in order for us to go into price discovery. So for those of you who are not really familiar with the trading terminologies, right, price discovery is the uncharted territory as far as price appreciation is concerned, because usually there is some sort of factors that really prevent the price from going high, and these factors include previous resistance levels. So when you take a look at the price of Alice, right, if you consider and factor every little bit of information, right, we have a few data points that really highlight us, give us much more information in terms of where the price discovery of Alice coin would definitely go to. So obviously the previous all-time high was around $40, but this $40 is, or rather was, the starting price. As you can see, it started trading when it got listed on Binance at around $40, $45, and this particular all-time high, the $40 was like the average starting price. However, the real actual value started rolling in around this particular level, around $20, and we also had like a lot of resistance close to the $20 here at $17. Eventually we had this amazing run up, and we had this amazing price resistance right around the $19 to $20 level. So as far as Alice is concerned, right, the actual resistance and the highest price that the token, or rather the Alice coin, was trading at previously was at between $18 to about $20. So the highest price that we expect Alice to face a lot of resistance is the $20 level. So once we get to like cross this particular level, especially the $18 to about $20 level, we are going to go into price discovery, and we are going to be experiencing very minimal resistance, and this is when the good gains are going to be coming. So all I want you to do right now is, I hope you guys have been accumulating a lot of Alice. I hope you guys have been positioning yourselves, because by the time we get to like cross over this particular threshold as far as the highest resistance is concerned, right, which is about $20, right, there are going to be crazy amounts of gains. We're going to see, or rather experience, the price of Alice exploding exponentially at very greater levels, and these price pumps are going to be happening at a very insane amount, and you guys are just going to be blown out of proportion with regards to how fast everything is going to be escalating, because price discovery is such a great thing. So in today's episode, I just wanted to highlight the fact that we are not very far away from the highest level of resistance. The previous run up, right, we obviously had an amazing pump from about $4 to about $18. I mean, well, we went to about $16. Now, can you imagine? On the 28th, or rather 19th of July, right, the price of Alice pumped from about $4 to about $16. Okay, and then we had this amazing retracement where we had to drop from about $16 all the way down to about $11. We only dropped by about $5. And now that this particular correction is done and we have begun ascending and appreciating in value, guess where the price is going to go next? And due to the fact that the next form of resistance, the highest form of resistance, because if you take a look at this cluster of resistance here, right, we are basically above it. So let me just make it clear for you guys. So let me get the horizontal line, and put it like around this particular area, all right, because this was the resistance that we were facing before we fell off of this particular cliff. Okay, so as you can see right about now, right, today is a very crucial day, because if you take a look at this particular green line, right, we are using it as support. Okay, and whenever that happens, right, and we obviously experience this significant decisive move towards the upside, we're having this indecisive day, right? The next thing which is going to happen is we're going to continue our price explosion, and this is one of the reasons why I truly believe that the price of Alice coin is definitely going to be trading above $20 in the near future. Like, this is going to happen very, very soon. And you know, ever since I gave this particular buy signal as far as Alice is concerned, because if you take a look at 3 weeks, right, 3 weeks ago, instead of you guys concentrating on Axie Infinity, right, I told you to get into Alice, and the price of Alice was around $4, and right about now, you know, we are trading at around or close to about $14, which is a very insane price appreciation. So even though we made a lot of money on Axie Infinity still is doing very well, and I'm very happy about this particular trade, because you know, we got in on Axie Infinity when the price of Axie Infinity was around $12. So if you take a look at this particular episode that I did, the price of Axie Infinity here was around $18, and I also had prior videos to that, you know, like a few days before that. So we roughly got in you know, less than $12. And if you look at the current price of Axie Infinity, it's almost $70. So that is an amazing trade, ladies and gentlemen. That is more than a 5x. So when I tell you these things, best believe I know what I'm talking about, and best believe it's going to happen. It's just a matter of time, because so far all my price predictions have come to fruition. Remember guys, a few weeks ago, right, I was telling you that the price of Bitcoin is going to go to it's going to go above 46, or rather $43 before it drops down to about $24. I'm sure you guys can really give this testament if you guys are long-term subscribers of mine, right? You heard me like go on and on. Like the past month I've been talking about, you know, Bitcoin going to about 40,000 US dollars. You know, I was telling you, look, the price is going to go back to about 40,000 US dollars, because we need to punish the short sellers. And everybody was expecting 24,000, 20,000, even 19,000, but I always, you know, stuck to my technical analysis, because I knew it was going to come to fruition. You know, 3 weeks ago I told you the price was going to go to 41,000. I was like very adamant about this particular price prediction. So congratulations to everybody that really got to accumulate you know, Bitcoin and all that stuff. I'm really happy that you guys are seeing what the value of patience is. It's all about patience. It's all about knowing the actual blueprint. So right about now, I'm giving you another blueprint. The price of the price of Alice is going to go to $20, and once we go to $20, we are going to begin to trade in uncharted territory, meaning price discovery. Whenever we have price discovery, prices usually tend to get blown out of the waters, and prices usually tend to sort of really increase in value very fast. So once we cross $20, it's going to be easy for us to reach $50. You know, it's like it's very backwards, and it's very unimaginable for people who do not really understand how the order book works, okay? Because once we get to about $20,000, there isn't going to be a lot of people who are going to be selling. There's going to be more buyers. There's going to be new long-term holders who are going to be coming, and these guys are going to be holding, you know, Alice coin for the next, I don't know, 1 month or something. So there's actually going to be more and more demand for Alice coin, and this is the reasons why it's easier for a coin to really appreciate in value once it gets into discovery mode. And if the price of Alice is going to go above $20 or close to $20, because right now, as you guys can see, right, this is a clear bullish flag. This is definitely a clear bullish flag. So if I had to use, you know, like this particular situation, the flagpole right over here, and then I extend it and drag it above this particular threshold, right? We are seeing $27 as the price target for the end of this particular, you know, pump towards the upside, because as you guys can see, this is a clear bullish flag. So we've got about $27 to about $30 as the end of this particular, you know, pump genesis, as we can put it right over here. So we have like a whole lot of money to make out of Alice coin, but of course we could have some, you know, slight pullbacks, and the price could be very volatile, especially towards shaking a whole lot of people out of their positions. So I wouldn't be surprised if the price had to drop like close to $13. If the price had to go to about $12 or even less than $12, I would be very happy to like accumulate a whole lot. But best believe we did a whole lot of accumulation. We did drop by a whole lot the past 1 week, and as you guys can see, this particular price decline is coming to an end. So there's obviously going to be a continuation in terms of price appreciation and the value of Alice coin going above and straight to the moon. So that's all I had for you, right? And today hasn't been very explosive, but it's very bullish, you know, it's very bullish. So if the price is going to go you know, to about $12.85, it's going to be like a very great area to add some more Alice coin, because by the end of it all, you know that Alice is going to go to $30. You know it's going to be more than $20 in the next coming few days and weeks. So why not make a whole lot of money? And once we get above the price discovery above $20, best believe the price of Alice could really exponentially grow. So why would you want to miss that? Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. That's all I had for you. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. You guys already know the business. You need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications, and do what you have to do, because I am definitely going to be able to make you a whole lot of money, because all my price predictions have done very well in the past few weeks, and you guys already know you know, my story. You guys already know what I'm capable of doing. So anyhow, I have some more buy recommendations which I'm going to be doing tomorrow, so stay tuned, because I have some more coins that can really literally pump and give you more than a 5x like in a short period of time, just like I did with Alice, with Axie Infinity, with Bitcoin, and all these other amazing recommendations that I gave you. So please turn on post notifications, subscribe, and watch my videos on a regular basis. In case you've got any questions, contributions, and all that good stuff, please let me know in the comment section below. Talk to you a little bit later. Bye.